Hi guys, welcome to Family Create. Hope you're all doing well. So today I've got two watch band to show you. First one is this one I've got a couple of days ago, which I've been using. It's really nice. And then the second watch band that I'm going to be showing you guys, well, unboxing, is also the most sought after watch band from Google. This was actually out of stock. I had to wait a good couple of days before it came back on stock and ordered it. So there's a waiting list now at the moment for this. It's really beautiful. A premium band, polished silver metal mesh band. I think it will look amazing both in casual wear as well as formal wear. So let's look at this watch band first and then we'll unbox the other one. So this one is a genuine leather strap. I've had this strap for a good few days now. This will watch much lighter and I think more pleasant to use in leather, and you can feel the leather texture and it actually smells like genuine leather as well. The stitching, when I ordered, actually I thought both sides was white stitching, but it looks like one side is white stitching and the other side is black. So C is marked with medium to large size, 20 mm band, and it says here premium leather band. And then you can see there's quick release mechanism here. The lugs came with the watch band, and I must say the chrome color goes really well with the casing color. It doesn't look out of place. So I think the other best thing about this, the lugs, is the fact that the quick release on the band is just so easy to just change the strap, the watch band, whereas if you take the whole thing off, it's a bit fiddly. It's okay, you can quickly just press the mechanism, pull it off, and get another one, but it is still quite fiddly. Whereas with the lugs quick release mechanism here attached to the lug, you can just pull it and open the strap and put another one. So that's one of the other reasons why I really like that. Not only that, I think the lug actually gives the watch a more classic look, and I think it just stands out more really. So as you can see, it's very thin. Although the size is medium to large, there was no other option of getting small, but it's not really very big, because when I put it on, there isn't that much of a excess, as you can see. So it's probably made just to fit one size for everybody. There's no small option. So I'll just show you here. I've ordered it from Amazon. It's not very expensive, $15.99. There's the black version and there's a tan version as well. I think they're both nice, but I think the black, given that the watch is black, it's £15.99. So I'll leave the link in the description box for your information if you want to check it out. By the way, just to quickly mention also, you can also use the watch strap on your Pixel Watch 1 as well. This is also one that we've got from Google, the leather strap, and it came with the lugs as well. So that's another one of my favorite. Basically, because they've got the lugs and 20 mm, you can actually swap around your own watch strap as well. Let's move on to the next watch band, the most waited and anticipated watch band. So here we have the Pixel Watch 2 metal mesh band, and it's polished silver. It's £139. So let's unbox and see the band and try it on our watch. Oh, actually, look at that. It looks nicer and better in person than it does on the picture, actually. Let's take this off. There we go. Look at this. It's not very heavy, but it is both of the parts here. It's actually quite heavy here, but it's not as heavy as I thought. So the lugs on this one are quite different to the crafted leather band from Google, and I must say this one is much nicer and thinner. Okay, so this is magnetic. As you can see, it's quite strong. Can you see? I guess to make it smaller or shorter or longer, you just pull it. By the way, this is also compatible with Google Pixel Watch 1. So I'm going to try it and see how it looks on Pixel Watch 1 as well. So let's try it on Pixel Watch 2 now. I actually don't like taking the Pixel Watch band off because it's quite fiddly. So push it down, push up and off. Okay, that's not bad. Okay, and let's get this one. So let's take this apart to make it easier. So to put it on and then push down and then swipe down, clicks on. Push down to take off again. Yeah, like I said, it's a bit fiddly, so I've pushed it down, swipe up and off. It's quite fiddly sometimes, and sometimes it works very quickly. So let's put this one on now. Okay, so put it in place, push down. There we go. Looks very nice actually. It actually looks rather elegant. So let's try it on now. There we go. How does it look? I like that. You don't have to fiddle about. You just, it's magnetic. Quickly put it on. Look at that. What do you think? Look at the legs. It goes nicely with the watch frame, and it doesn't really look out of place. It looks part of the design. And then you've got the metal mesh band. That looks really nice. No fiddling about, just a quick connection, and it's actually very strong. Can you hear it? It's very, very, very strong. And then the other side, it looks very nice. It actually looks perfect, I think, in terms of size. So even if you're a large size, or even if your wrist is smaller than mine, it'll still fit and looks nice and neat. Whereas when I had this one on, you may remember this was sticking out. None of that here. Very nice. I actually really like that. I think there's a champagne gold as well, which is going to be really, really nice as well. But I got the silver because it'll go with any outfit. There's also a black one. I didn't want to get black, but if you've got the all black Pixel Watch 2, the black strap would look nice because it will be a complete match. Let me know what you think. Do you like this metal mesh strap, or do you prefer the silicone strap that was supplied with the watch, or the leather strap? So I've seen some of these on Amazon, but the design is slightly different. The legs are different as well. The quality probably is slightly different as well. That's why they're a little bit cheaper on Amazon. But this one, obviously the quality is different. The design is designed to go with the Pixel Watch, so it looks amazing. But if you do want a cheaper version, I know this is quite expensive, but there are cheaper versions if you do want to try out the metal mesh watch strap. I will leave a link on the description box, the ones that I've seen on Amazon, if you want to check it out. So comment down below, let me know your opinion, and also let me know if you have got any other straps that looks amazing with the Pixel Watch 2. I'll love to check them out as well. By the way, quite a few people requested to mention the watch face names on my videos. So this one is a Mesa watch face, and if I show you, the name of the watch face is Mesa BN25. So I hope that helps. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you find this video helpful, please do give it a like and support us by subscribing. Until next time, do take care. Bye bye.